In this digital age, industries are looking for new ways to solve their problems. As markets are getting competitive, enterprises need to find ways to increase productivity and efficiency of their factories to stay in business. Digital technologies like IoT, cloud, and artificial intelligence are revolutionizing the way industries have been doing business for decades. Enter the Industry 4.0. We at Bufo are constantly innovating solutions to help industries leverage digital technologies to increase profitability. With our range of wireless communication solutions, industries can remotely monitor and control assets in real time. We are bringing technologies like LoRaWAN and NB-IoT in industries to connect remote equipments to cloud. Whether it is about monitoring thousands of remote water pumping stations spread across the country or analyzing production data from PLCs and recorders in the production line, we have connectivity solutions for all. A manager of a plant can have a 360-degree view of the entire operation and make better business decisions. Bufo IoT Analytics Suite enables factory engineers, managers, and top-level decision makers to play around with data to discover bottlenecks in production line. A business leader can measure and compare production-linked KPIs and OEEs and fine-tune their operation strategy. How do we make machines in our plants more reliable to prevent unplanned downtime? Predictive maintenance comes to the rescue. With AI, industries can diagnose the health of equipment and predict when it needs maintenance. Condition monitoring of motors and turbines using AI can improve machine reliability. We need to constantly evolve to find ways to make our factories and cities more efficient and eco-friendly. Today, the focus is not just on running the factories, but on how do we make it sustainable in this changing world. Bufo Energy and Water Management System help factories and smart cities to reduce their carbon footprints. Efficient, real-time monitoring of electricity and water usage reduces wastage and saves precious natural resources. Businesses need IoT and digitalisation to survive in this competitive market. But sometimes adopting technology can be overwhelming. It requires a lot of planning, consulting, and hiring of the right technology partners. We are serving industries of every size to adopt digital technologies to achieve maximum return on investment. Our end-to-end customized solutions can help your business grow. What is your next business problem you want to solve? Book a free consultancy session with our industry experts today. www.bufoinnovations.com